This is not easy. There we go. You have to be so gentle with it. Oh, that's already down. Okay. Okay. This is a glue and Mod Podge mixture with a little tiny bit of water just so I can make it stretch a little bit so it doesn't get so chunky on the canvas when it dries. That one's gonna look cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we need to pull it tighter over here. There, let's get that down. Sorry, I have really bad allergies. There we go. I know it looks like crap right now, but once it dries, it's gonna look so rad.
Is the best place to listen for everyone. For story people, comedy people,
and it falls apart so easily because it's not, there's no seams. So if you pull it too much, you just end up pulling the string off. So you have to be really careful. It's definitely a trial and error thing for me last couple days. Okay, let's get this guy down. Oop. It's so delicate to work with, my goodness. Sure looks like spider webs though, doesn't it? Or neurological cellular structure. And you have to get every little piece because when you paint on top of it, it can't be loose. This is just the background. These are just backgrounds. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So we gotta get it all.
It's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in a sun's piece of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much.
It's fun to fantasize.
All my enemies are gonna wish who I was.
But it's fun to fantasize. Whoa, 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 oh. I'm falling so